Good morning, all of you. I'm Manju Singh, and today again I have come with another video of geography, class 10th, fourth chapter, that is agriculture. Our topic for today is major crops. In previous video, we had studied about topic is major crops, but it is actually major food crops. So in previous videos, we have studied about major crops and they were rice and wheat. Now we are going to study about millets. See, millets does not mean any particular grain or any particular crop. It means millets are a group of coarse grains which are not used as a staple food nowadays. In ancient times, previous times, people used to grow these crops for a staple for their subsistence, but now they are not growing for their subsistence because in large area main food crops that are wheat and rice are grown. So millets contain a large number of food grains like ragi, jowar, bajra, and these are rough grains, means coarse grains. And these millet crops are grown even in the semi-arid, means deserted type of area, because they depend on rain only. They do not need irrigation. They are rain-fed crops, means बारिश के जहाँ कम बारिश होती है वहाँ पर भी ये क्रॉप्स हो जाते हैं जो मिलेट्स में इंक्लूडेड हैं. Now we shall study which crops are included in millets. The first one is ragi. Ragi is known as in Hindi madua. Madua. It is reddish color and it is grown in red soil also. It is extremely nutritious. It is rich in iron, calcium, carbohydrate and proteins. And thus it is used in the curing of anemia. In curing of anemia, anemia is the loss of blood, means lack of blood, then controlling of diabetes, reducing cholesterol and indigestion. Means ragi is very important in all these diseases. The states which are growing ragi are Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Sikkim, Jharkhand and Arunachal Pradesh. And these are rain-fed crop, means they depend only on rain. They do not need this crop. Ragi crop does not need any type of irrigation. Means it can grow in moisture only. Next one is jowar. It is also another millet crop. This crop is third most important crop after rice. Means rice is first important crop, wheat is second, and jowar is third important crop in respect of area and production. Means it is grown over a large area, means net sown area for jowar is large, as well as its production is also in large amount. This crop is also rain fed and it grows in Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Now our next crop is that this is also millet crop. Means we had studied ragi, jowar, and now third one is bajra. Bajra is also a millet crop and it grows on sandy soil as well as black soil. And this is also rain fed. Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Haryana. These places, these states are major producer of bajra. Millet crops are very nutritious, very valuable, but nowadays people are not growing these crops in large area. Now we come to, after millet, we are coming to maize. Maize means corn, makkah. Then maize is used both as human food as well as it is used as fodder crop for cattle. This is a kharif crop and it needs, kharif crop you have studied, it needs temperature between 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. It grows in Bangar soil, means old alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is categorized as Khadar and Banga. Khadar soil is very close to the bank of the rivers and they are very fertile compared to Banga. Bangar is also alluvial soil. It is also very fertile, but it is far from the Khadar soil. So, what happens? Maize is grown over the old alluvial soil, which is Bangar soil. Now, maize is kharif crop, but in some states, it is grown as rabi crop also. Means in kharif season also they are grown, maize is grown, and in rabi season also maize is grown. In Bihar also maize is grown both in rabi season as well as kharif season. With the use of modern methods, means after the green revolution, we have started using HYV seeds, fertilizers, and lots of irrigation is done. And in the same way, in maize also these things are done. So, maize production has boomed. Means in India, large amount of maize is produced. Now, which states are major producer of maize? They are Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, UP, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, etc. So we have studied major crops, major food crops, which are rice, wheat, millets. In millets you have studied about ragi, jowar and bajra, and maize. Now our next topic will be pulses, means dal. That we'll do in next video. Thank you for today.